You had complained that apparently during the whole trip he was only looking for Indian food. What is your complaint against her during the shoot?
That she wanted me to try the Thailand.
Zabardasti.
Yeah,
I wanted him to try only mango sticky rice, which he did not like. He tried like ittu sa khaya isne. He's like, nahi, अच्छा नहीं है. I am not kidding because of Avinash. I think मैंने दाल चावल इतना खाना शुरू कर दिया.
You have seen the media come in, everybody's questioned your friendship and said कि देखते हैं, मतलब almost inside the house, outside the house, everybody's like देखते हैं कि रहेगा कि नहीं रहेगा. Today when you guys are sitting here and the bond is so strong, people who know you know and your families know how strong the friendship is, what do you have to say to them? The same people who possibly would have interviewed you today also.
Look at us, कहाँ गए वो सब लोग? मुझे है, मैं अटैच हो जाती हूँ, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा देती हूँ. मुझे लगता है कि यार, and he really took care of me inside the house. I was like, I don't know, I really hope ये हमेशा ऐसे ही रहे. Now that I look, I think this bond is even stronger.
Absolutely.
You know, and we are still the same, the goofy two crazy humans together.
Nothing. They wanted my number कि वो बोले थे 1 महीने बाद कॉल करेंगे. कॉल नहीं किया यार पूछने के लिए bond. Just call me and ask. अभी ये जो देख रहे हो ना कोऑर्डिनेटेड है.
Can you
ये
see
एक्चुअली
all this?
कोऑर्डिनेटेड नहीं था.
ये coordinated नहीं.
कल शाम को मैंने एक फोटो क्लिक की कपड़े की. ऐसे कि आई एम वेयरिंग दिस. व्हाट यू वेयरिंग? नो आई एम वेयरिंग दिस. तो इसका भी सेम पैटर्न था. ऐसे नहीं
We
मेरा
didn't
है.
know. I said, "Oh, मैं भी same चीज पहन रही हूँ." Then we were like, "Good."
ऐसे ये मैंने चूज किया. मैंने पहले भेजा. बोल नहीं मेरा देख स्क्रीनशॉट मैंने अपने डिजाइनर को पहले भेज रखा है. सो उस पे एक छोटा सा स्टूपिड आर्गुमेंट बना. नहीं मैं पहनूंगा.
Thailand में जब आप थे, have you read the news? They said that you are engaged.
Yeah.
You
This
got-
is so funny. मैं सबसे आज यही बोल रही हूँ. I said, "What?" I think अविनाश ने वो आर्टिकल मुझे भेजा था या मैंने भेजा था ना. इसलिए हम दोनों इनवाइटेड नहीं थे क्या एंगेजमेंट में? ये कब हुआ?
At least
How did you both react?
We
we were
laughed.
laughing भाई.
I have a question. When I asked Isha last time, what does love mean to her? She said love is about feeling home. Do you feel at home?
Right now?
Right now. Do you see at least somewhere you are heading towards that, like towards that feeling of completion? You need to feel complete, right, with each other. Should I just introduce myself as the official CEO of the Avisha fan club? Because I think the fans are already calling me that. I'm very, very happy because finally 1.5 महीने से इनके पीछे मैं पड़ा हुआ था कि एक इंटरव्यू साथ में कर लो. Finally pinning Avinash and Isha down on Nayan Sense. Hello guys.
Hi.
Hello,
Suddenly she's gone like, hi, what is this?
It's the Kala Shaka.
ये काला, you know we planned it. I messaged her that are you wearing black? Then I was like, हाँ. She's like, I'm wearing black. So I said, I'm gonna wear full black.
Yeah, and you
Obviously.
did. Good.
It's Kala Shakala. It's black.
It's the Kala Shaka.
This is first of the many music videos that you're doing, and should I say that the other music video that I've seen is amazing also, but
सब बता देगा ये. They will know.
this is very peppy. Okay, it's a dance number. Kala Shah Kala has a different unique vibe also because हमने सुना है, but it's a different version of it. Tell me your memories from this one because you shot in,
Thailand, yeah.
if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so you had complained that apparently during the whole trip he was only looking for Indian food. What is your complaint against her during the shoot?
That she wanted me to try the Thailand.
Zabardasti.
Yeah,
I wanted him to try only mango sticky rice, which he did not like. He tried like ittu sa खाया इसने. He's like, नहीं अच्छा नहीं है. Of course, because we are vegetarians, तो option बहुत limited होते हैं हमारे लिए. But mango sticky rice, मैंने वो तो खा लिया, but
No,
नहीं
it was
खाया.
not nice.
It was not, I liked it.
You liked it?
I love it.
I like mango only.
He's
Chawal
allergic to
dal.
mango.
Chawal dal for life, bro.
तो मैंने बोला चावल खा ले तू.
Dal chawal.
Dal chawal for life. Why not?
That's your favorite go-to meal?
Obviously.
What?
Yes. Yeah.
अविनाश को कभी भी
Just
पूछो
had
क्या
दाल
कर
खिचड़ी.
रहा है दिन में, and he's like दाल चावल. I am not kidding because of अविनाश. I think मैंने दाल चावल इतना खाना शुरू कर दिया.
But a lot of people, have been waiting for this. But who's a better dancer between the two of you?
Him. He's a very good dancer.
I take it.
Acha, who's the better performer between the two of you? बताइए अब. बोलो.
नहीं यार चलो इसको अपने खुद को
हम
लेना
दोनों
है
बहुत
तो-
अच्छे परफॉर्मर्स हैं.
A lot of people, when you guys were inside the Big Boss house, you have seen the media come in, everybody's questioned your friendship and said कि देखते हैं, मतलब almost inside the house, outside the house, everybody's like देखते हैं कि रहेगा कि नहीं रहेगा. Today when you guys are sitting here and the bond is so strong, people who know you know and your families know how strong the friendship is, what do you have to say to them? The same people who possibly would have interviewed you today also.
Look at us, कहाँ गए वो सब लोग? I swear, मैं और अविनाश यही बोल रहे थे उस दिन, हम कुछ मस्ती कर रहे थे ना. I was like, अभी you remember हमें question किया था. Then I'll be very honest, I expressed this अविनाश से. I said, you know, I was very skeptical एक time पे because मैं इसको इतने पहले से नहीं जानती थी. I was just very close to him, but मुझे लगता था कि is there something which I'm not getting? क्या ये bond हमेशा ऐसे ही रहेगा? और क्योंकि मैं अटैच, मुझे है, मैं अटैच हो जाती हूँ, मैं बहुत ज्यादा देती हूँ. मुझे लगता है कि यार, एंड ही रियली टुक केयर ऑफ मी इनसाइड द हाउस. आई वाज लाइक, आई डोंट नो, आई रियली होप ये हमेशा ऐसे ही रहे. नाउ दैट आई लुक, आई थिंक दिस बॉन्ड इज इवन स्ट्रॉन्गर.
Absolutely.
You know, and we're still the same, the goofy two crazy humans together.
What about you? What do you have to say to that? कि ये जो bond है जिसपे इतने सारे question marks थे पहले, and a lot of people actually don't last, like friendships and relationships don't last beyond Big Boss, but yours has lasted, and not just with her, with Vivian also, all three of you.
Nothing, they wanted my number कि वो बोले थे 1 महीने बाद कॉल करेंगे. कॉल नहीं किया यार पूछने के लिए बॉन्ड. प्लीज कॉल मी एंड आस्क.
But did they not meet you?
हाँ
Did they not meet you during the interviews?
हाँ आज भी आए थे और बीच में भी कॉल वॉल कर रहे इंटरव्यूज के लिए.
But
I
ये
don't
नहीं
know
पूछा
what
उन्होंने.
changed.
What was the last fight both of you had? Last fight.
We had fight.
Argument.
हाँ आर्ग्यूमेंट्स होते रहते हैं.
छोटे मोटे होते हैं, बट
छोटे
हमारे
मोटे होते रहते हैं.
हम बहुत जल्दी मना लेते हैं. मतलब हम
हाँ मतलब
बहुत स्टूपिड चीजों पे आर्ग्यूमेंट्स होते हैं.
दोपहर में
हमारे.
आर्ग्यूमेंट हुई तो वो इवनिंग तक सॉर्ट आउट हो जाता है.
या 2 घंटे में भी हो जाता है.
हाँ.
पर किस बात पे आर्गुमेंट?
लास्ट टाइम किस बात पे हुआ था?
जिम को लेके भी सेम.
नहीं,
No, no,
not
no,
gym,
no.
not gym.
You're okay with his obsession for the gym?
Of course, I also go to.
अभी आने लगी है जिम आगे.
Oh, because of you? Is he one of your gym buddies on that group?
I'm not. उन 3 में से मैं नहीं हूँ.
वो हार्डकोर वाले में नहीं है अभी.
मैं थोड़ा सेमी
हाँ.
उसमें हूँ. फर्स्ट स्टेज पे.
अभी
हमारा-
स्टार्ट कर दिया इसने. हाँ
क्या आर्ग्यूमेंट क्या हुआ है लास्ट? नहीं, हमें बहुत कम लड़ाई होती है. आर्ग्यूमेंट्स होते हैं. We
अरे
don't fight
छोटे-मोटे.
बहुत छोटे बट स्टूपिड चीजों पे.
What are the stupid things that you fought on?
क्या
लास्ट
था?
वन चलो कुछ भी जो याद है.
लास्ट कपड़ों को लेके गया था कि?
कपड़ों को लेके किया था.
हाँ.
किस?
हाँ इसी पे गया था कि यार अभी ये जो देख रहे हो ना कोऑर्डिनेटेड है.
Can you see
एक्चुअली
all this?
कोऑर्डिनेटेड नहीं था.
ये कोऑर्डिनेटेड नहीं.
कल शाम को मैंने एक फोटो क्लिक की कपड़े की. ऐसे कि आई एम वेयरिंग दिस, व्हाट यू वेयरिंग? नो आई एम वेयरिंग दिस. तो इसका भी सेम पैटर्न था. ऐसे नहीं
We
मेरा
didn't
है.
know. I said, "अबू मैं भी सेम चीज पहन रही हूँ." Then we were like, "Good."
ऐसे ये मैंने चूज किया, मैंने पहले भेजा है. बोले नहीं मेरा देख स्क्रीनशॉट मैंने अपने डिजाइनर को पहले भेज रखा है. सो उस पे एक छोटा सा स्टूपिड आर्गुमेंट हुआ. नहीं मैं पहनूंगा. चलो दोनों पहन के.
Nice. It's called DSDKC.
व्हाट?
DSDKC. दिल से दिल का कनेक्शन.
Oh my God,
DSDKC. दिल के कनेक्शन से बात करते हैं तो एक चीज मुझे पूछनी है. आप लोग जब थाईलैंड में थे, जब मुझे पता था कि आप लोग, उसी वजह से बाय द वे मेरा इंटरव्यू डिले होता गया. थाईलैंड में जब आप थे, हैव यू रेड द न्यूज़? दे सेड दैट यू आर एंगेज्ड.
This is so funny. मैं सबसे आज यही बोल रही हूँ. I said what? I think अविनाश ने वो आर्टिकल मुझे भेजा था या मैंने भेजा था ना. इसलिए हम दोनों इनवाइटेड नहीं थे क्या एंगेजमेंट में? ये कब हुआ?
How did you both react?
We
लाफिंग
laugh.
भाई.
हम
यार,
बहुत
क्या है?
मस्ती
What is
करते
this?
हैं. हम रूमर्स पे तो बहुत हंसते हैं.
एक फोटो देखा उसको, पहले तो उसको ट्रिप बोल दिया कि दे आर ऑन अ बैंकॉक ट्रिप,
वेकेशन पे हैं.
वेकेशन ट्रिप. बोला ठीक है सोचने दो यार, ठीक है हम अचानक से प्रोजेक्ट लेके आएंगे तो और अच्छा है हमारे लिए. So they thought it's a trip. They were like, okay, they are out for a romantic date, dinner date. Then उसके बाद सीधा उसी डेट पिक्चर के बाद एंगेजमेंट
एंगेजमेंट.
की आगे न्यूज. ऐसे वाओ.
वाओ. ऐसे मेरी मॉम को भी नहीं पता है.
How did they react?
My mom was laughing. मेरी मॉम बहुत चिल है. डैड तो ध्यान भी नहीं देता है, बट मॉम तो हंस देती है. बोलती है ये देखो क्या लिखा हुआ है. आई थिंक हाँ.
What about your parents? How did they react?
डैड तो डोंट गिव अ शिट कि क्या आ रहा है सोशल मीडिया में. मम्मी देख के हंस लेती है, बोलती है अच्छा आज ये छाप दिया उन लोगों ने, अच्छा आज ये छाप दिया. हाँ मम्मा कुछ लिखते रहता है.
I have a question. When I asked Isha last time, what does love mean to her? She said love is about feeling home. Do you feel at home?
Right now?
Right now.
I told you I'm going to ask you this. Do you feel at home right now?
Yeah, I do feel at home. Of course.
We are at nonsense. Come on.
Yeah, we are nonsense.
अच्छा घुमाया आपने.
No.
We are at nonsense.
देखो, love
Why not?
is not about only romantic relationships.
Absolutely.
It is also about people who are very close to you. Both, I mean it. You both hold a very special room in my heart. So of course it is home. मैं इतनी comfortable हूँ. I have no filters. You have not said anything bad about me. तो मेरे अंदर ये नहीं है
a few
कि
people.
only few people. ठीक है, but मेरे अंदर वो नहीं. So of course I'm so comfortable. I'm laughing. My energy is high. So this is what home is like, you know.
What about you? How would you define love? Because I didn't ask you that question that day. Now that Isha is sitting here, I'm sitting here.
See, love is undefined, man. You can't define love. It's
Do you feel undefined?
It's an uncontrollable feeling, which you start feeling for that person in a friendship or in a relationship or with your brother or with your friends. So that is an uncontrollable feeling which comes inside you, and you love that feeling.
That feeling that he's talking about, this I definitely asked him, I didn't ask you. You spoke about having feelings towards each other inside the house, but of course that would have been questioned. जब घर के अंदर थे तो, and then you put a stop to it. A lot of your fans have been asking this, that you said in an interview before you did mine, where you said कि थोड़ा वक्त देना पड़ेगा चीज़ों को, right? So what is it? How would you define it? Do you see at least somewhere you're heading towards that, like towards that feeling of completion? You need to feel complete, right, with each other. Do you feel that right now with each other, or are you taking more time?
Well, to be honest, right now we're not thinking that way. We are very good friends, and we are right now focusing on our projects, on our career, and we are supporting each other that way.
Yeah.
Yes, that is what I feel. That is the phase we are in right
He's
now.
absolutely. I was about to say this, that we are just so much focused on work कि अविनाश और मैं कई बार बात करते हैं, हम सिर्फ काम की बात करते हैं और हम किसी बारे में बात नहीं करते हैं. Because those layers of knowing each other, we are already there. We know.
Yeah.
I know him. He knows me. He knows how I'll react. He knows. I know what he'll react like. So we are on that phase that we support each other and we see it as a very good bond, and let's see where it goes. मतलब,
Yeah, exactly.
You can't force anything.
Let's see where it goes. That's what my question is. Where do you think it should go? Because if I am not one of the first few people to know.
See, Nayan,
Very
as I said, it's an uncontrollable feeling, and whatever happens very organically.
Yeah.
If something is meant to happen, that will happen. You can't even stop it.
That's absolutely true.
And as I said, inside the house, मैंने तो बोल ही दिया था कि हाँ एक टाइम पे लगा feeling है, but then we discuss, we stop it right there, and then we're focusing on the show, on the competition. And right now, when we're outside, now also we are focusing on the career, because right now it's a very good time and we're getting good opportunities, right? We're getting good projects. So right now we are just focusing on the career. Okay, right now the path is like this, and this is the thing we have to follow. So right now we are supporting each other in that. We are also suggesting each other, complimenting each other, and that is what the phase we are in right now.
Does it also, before I move into my fun segment, there is a point. Have you gone on social media and seen a few comments like your fans, and they have actually written something so amazing? You know, you both are very attached to anything that you do. And I could see that sense of hurt when you were not winning Bigg Boss, right? Even a week before Bigg Boss, when everything happened and all the media things happened, it really bothered you, right? And everything. But today, when you're doing more projects, a lot of people online, whether they like you or not, they have been complimenting and saying that, see, they might not have won, but you're getting a lot of work, more than many of the other people who actually got that support when you guys were inside Bigg Boss. How does that make you feel? The love that you're getting from audience, the work that is coming your way.
Honestly, that is what I crave for.
Yeah.
Okay. And as an artist, I just want a platform. I just need projects to deliver my art and craft. Right?
Yeah.
वो मेरा सबसे बड़ा motive life में. And Bigg Boss was a good platform for me to showcase my talents and to showcase the real Avinash, my personality. People liked it. People loved it. That was a competition. Somebody has to win. Somebody has to lose.
Yeah.
Somebody was supposed to be on second, third, fourth, whatever. But the main journey starts after Bigg Boss. Like, now what? That is gone. Now again new season will come. लोग उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. But what after Bigg Boss? So I am glad that we both are sitting here right now. Because हम projects कर रहे हैं, and as you know हमारे already कुछ projects shoot हो चुके हैं.
Yeah.
They're also lined up. कुछ individual projects भी हैं इसके बहुत अच्छे, कुछ मेरे भी हैं. So they all are lined up.
Yeah.
And it's nice to have that feeling कि यार calendar full होते जा रहा है.
बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I
projects
think
lined
it
up
makes me very. I think both of us. I think I'm happiest on set when I'm working, and that is what we both crave for. हम बात भी करते हैं कि it really drives us. you know, we are very happy that we're working. हम projects की बात कर रहे होते हैं, हम discuss कर रहे होते हैं कि अच्छा ये है, ये आया है, ये लग रहा है, वो लग रहा है. It's just such a nice feeling, यार, to be working and to get so much love.
But you guys got targeted a lot inside the show. And मैंने बोला उस दिन, because I did your interview first and then when I met her, I said if I would have been inside the Big Boss house in the media round, I would have asked her a question. Not in the same tonality, I'll repeat that. But I would have, but before us going, she had actually apologized. There was a point where you guys were targeted
a lot inside the house, okay? And of course, if I would have, I told her this, that if I would have entered the house as a media person in that round, I would have definitely asked you that question. When a lot of things were happening with you, when there were labels attached to you, your reaction didn't come at the labels. Your reaction came at your friend not understanding you and not realizing that you couldn't have done it, right? But also on her side, it was an issue which usually, if it was true, unko pata nahi hota, right? So if it would have been true and she supported you, she would have come across as a very anti-feminist person also. What was the thing that was going through your mind? How do you remember those days? Because of course there's friendship today, but at that point, did you feel let down a little bit? And how did you feel?
I think I spoke about this incident that day. I think the only thing I would like to change about that journey is
Was
that
that.
I did not support my friend when I know him so well. मतलब right now I think anything happen, I'm that kind of person कि अगर आज अविनाश मुझे कुछ भी करेगा, कहीं भी कुछ भी होगा, I'll stand by him. मैं भले ही उसको कोने में जाके बोल दूँ कि अभी I don't think so you're doing right. But अगर वो उस time पे खड़ा है and he needs me, I will be there. That is the kind of person, human I am.
absolutely.
But उस घर में when he needed me the most, I was not there. I was missing, and I'm really disappointed. I don't like that, and I've said sorry to him. But that's the only thing which gives me jitters is that why did I not support my friend? But also that I look back, I think उस time मेरे दिमाग में जो permutation combination थे, मुझे जो चीजें पता चल रही थी, मुझे लग रहा था कि maybe that person is right and my person is wrong. तो थोड़ा मेरा judgment थोड़ा हिल गया, which I think.
What I feel it was situational. ठीक है, the situation happened like that, and sometimes things happen in a way जो हम सोच नहीं सकते हैं. See, वो एक incident हुआ, but that incident gave a great social message for the viewers. Everybody, those who are watching that show, कि यार ये ऐसा होता है लाइफ में. We are तो glad कि हम एक शो में थे जहाँ पे माइक्स हैं, कैमरास हैं, सब कुछ बाहर आ गया. इनफैक्ट मैंने बोला भी था कि यार इसके बारे में ज्यादा नहीं बोलूंगा बिकॉज जिसके साथ हुआ उसने खुद सॉरी वॉरी बोल दिया था टास्क में. आई डोंट टू कीप सेइंग दैट. तो वो एक सोशल मैसेज जो बाहर आ गया, आई गेस वो होना था कि एक सोशल मैसेज जाए पूरे सोसाइटी में, एंड दैट्स हाउ इट जस्ट हैपेंड यार सिचुएशन.
And good on both of you, I think. I really love you more for that because even before media rounds happened, actually she also realized that, oh, maybe I did. And I'm happy that Big Boss actually showed you the truth, because otherwise it could have been very, very taxing to stay for the next 15 days with that kind of labels and on the friendship and everything. Would have been difficult. Well, thank you so much. Before I wrap this, I have to tell you that you said something very sweet, that Nayan, you know that both of you are very special to me, and I want to reciprocate and tell you that there are very few times where you feel as a person who's on this side, okay, of you guys are actors and we are almost like creators or journalists or whatever. There are very few times that people cross that boundary to create that bond and that friendship. I want to tell you that regardless of the experiences that you've had with people from the same fraternity, I am definitely going to be one person who will stand by your side through thick and thin. Even if you're wrong, I'm going to come to you personally and tell you that maybe you are wrong here. But publicly, you will always have me cheering the loudest for both of you.
Sweet,
Oh, so
Anna.
sweet, Anna. Thank you.
I love you both.
We
we love you
you
too, man.
Thank you.
Love it too.
Thank you for
Thank
doing
you
this
so
to
much.
many, many more.
To many, many
Definitely
more.
will do it.
Yay!
Thank you. It was a great
So
segment.
much
done.
fun. बहुत मजा आया.
Hi guys, this is Avinash Bishan. You're watching me on Nan Sense.
Hi everyone, this is Isha Singh and you're watching me on Nine Sense.